Well, back to school shopping can come at a cost, and this weekend's sales tax holiday could be a big help for those looking to save some money. WKBN found out what it costs to send a student back to school with the right supplies. 27 First News reporter Greta Mitterator went shopping to get a look at the bill.
I headed into the store with one goal in mind: stick to the list. Schools provide a supplies checklist to make sure students have what they need.
We put them out almost at the end of last year because we wanted the parents to have an advantage when the sales start to go on.
I picked one up for a first grader and an eighth grader in two different Valley districts.
What about these?
The average family with children in grades K through 12 are actually expected to spend $39 less than last year. However, the National Retail Federation says electronics, apparel, and other school needs will still cost about $630.
We kind of asked the teachers to come up with a common supply list, keeping in mind the cost, but also keeping in mind that we want to be very hands-on.
I don't see them. Do you see them?
For the most part, we tried to buy basic supplies.
No, not those.
Not these.
Although for the first grader, we bought a Steelers folder, and for the eighth grader, a Taylor Swift notebook. Because, well, kids want what's trendy. According to a recent survey, 86% of school shoppers say their children will influence 1/4 or more of their back-to-school purchases. The grand total for our first grader was $24.53, while the school supplies for our eighth grader cost $52.27. If you're looking to save a few bucks, Ohio's first sales tax holiday this Friday through Sunday could help. School supplies priced at $20 per item or less will be tax exempt. Based on our shopping, you'd save $1.66 for the first grader and $3.53 for the eighth grader. Reporting for WKBN 27 First News, I'm Greta Mitterator.